Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me. And I am up here in Minnesota. I found this nice little park along a lake. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rip the two-wheel drive Slash around. All right, let's jump right into it. We got this nice little dirt parking lot. I did just recently install a metal spur gear in this one, guys. It is running the high-speed gearing, and I am, of course, running on 3S. Bring it back. Oh, really got some dirt there. It's kind of fun, just drift it around. Bring it back. Whoa! Wow. Can't even go down here. I don't know if there's a lot of space to run down here, down by the lake. Looks like it's just kind of grass. Actually, maybe we should do a few flyby runs down here on this gravel. How about a launch, guys? What do you guys think? Ready? Get set. Go! Whoa! She is quick. Here, let's bring it back. On the throttle, trying to get grip. On the brakes. Two-wheel drive stopping for you. This will probably go 60 plus. I think the most I've gotten this one up to, guys, is like 53, but I don't think I had a good enough stretch. I don't have a GPS with me today, though. Bring it back. In the grass. Oh, almost got myself in the face. Also, guys, if you're liking this Cheapest Traxxas Slash content, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps out this video as well as my channel, and I would greatly appreciate that. Let's go down here by the lake. Rip it down here by this nice little lake. Obviously, we're not going to be going in the water, even though this is waterproof. Nice scenery, though. Not really a beach. I was hoping there'd be like a little beach or something here. Nope, not really a beach here. That'd be kind of cool to jump it into that, but I don't want to go get it. Struggling for traction there in the grass. The grass is pretty wet. There's a lot of dew in the grass this morning. Ooh. Hit the tree. Bring it around. Oh, crap. I thought I was a little bit to the right of that. I was not. Let's see, is it all right? Bumper's actually held up fairly well. I've ran this bumper into a few things kind of hard actually. So I think everything's good. Let's just keep on going until she doesn't move anymore. I love to just go around the trees and use the trees as obstacles, kind of like a little course. It's risky though, because you might hit the tree. Getting caught up on some sticks. Can't really get the power to the ground here with all the dew in the grass. And once again, hit the tree. Hit the tree again. Come on, let's go. I might go back up on the road. Yeah, guys, I'd say let's go back up onto the dirt parking lot. Dirt, gravel, whatever you want to call it. Bring it back. Nice. Nice little 180 there. She's a ripper, guys. Absolute ripper. I thought I heard a noise. I hope I didn't pop a tire. Everything still seems to be spinning all right, so let's just keep on going and see if we keep on hearing any noises. On the grass, she's actually getting pretty good traction with the Badlands where it's lifting up. The dew is starting to dry out a little bit. You could have a lot of fun with the two-wheel drive Slash, guys. I highly recommend it. Bring it back this way, guys. On the throttle, full throttle. And on the brakes. All right, bring it back, guys. Here we go. And on the brakes again. That's one thing I've said before in previous videos. I don't like the way that two-wheel drive vehicles stop, because they just lock up the rear tires and they slide. So their stopping is not great. They just kind of skid, and then they skid out of control. Here we go again. She's an absolute ripper. Bring it back. Two-wheel drive Slash is fun, guys. I think I should actually get a few slow motion shots while I'm here. What do you guys think? I'm thinking yeah. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me. Really helps out my video as well as this channel. And if you have not subscribed and you want to see more videos with the cheapest Traxxas Slash, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because there's going to be more upgrades to come. And if you haven't been keeping up with this RC, I have a whole series. Basically, this started out as the cheapest ready-to-run Slash that you can buy, $189.95, and I built it into the brushless machine it is now. So if you want to watch the whole progression of upgrading this machine, go ahead, and I'll go ahead and put a card up in the corner of this video so you can check out the series of the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Later.